Hey guys, let me show you real quickly how to answer question like 7 on the tutorial where you're asked to create a histogram for the number of credit hours completed. So once you upload the worksheet, let's go to graph, choose histogram, and then just simple histogram because we're just looking at one variable right now, which is credit hours. So choose credit hours. And then you can see here that it automatically creates a histogram for us. But notice again, like in class here, it just shows the midpoint and not the cutoffs for the bounds. So you can change the way the scale looks for the x-axis. And to do this, this is where we go up and look for that little arrow and then choose graph options and then go down to scales. And then here you can change from midpoint to cut point. So cut point means I want to cut the x-axis and have specific intervals. So here, if I want to have my bins be, skip counting by 15 credit hours, so my bin width of 15, that means that I'm looking at about 9 classes. And so you can either change the number of intervals and choose that option, or you can type in the number of intervals. Let me see here. And then have it custom, so you can see here it automatically, when I change the number of intervals to 9, so from 12 to 9, you can see it automatically changes the bounds for each class down here. And then you can actually choose this and then you can see that that will show up here. So you can see now it's showing us 0 to 15, 15 to 30, 30 to 45, etc. So that's how you would change your scale, your number of frequencies, and then change the class bounds. Okay, I hope that helps. And then again, you can copy and paste this into your Word document.